Are you looking for a way to make some extra cash? Discover how you can quickly and easily earn money doing microtasks. In this video, I'll show you how to get started and create multiple income streams by completing simple tasks from the comfort of your home. Learn how to make money online without prior experience or skills. Start earning today. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Using a microtask site to get some additional money might be beneficial. That is, assuming, of course, that you sign up for a site with decent earnings potential. SproutGigs is one of the most well-known microtask sites, and it claims to provide reasonable pay for your work. As a microtasking platform, SproutGigs pays you for doing quick jobs. Just create an account and start doing simple tasks for cash. After signing up, you'll have access to their member dashboard, where you may browse available microjobs. There will be a lot of work available, and you can see precisely what you'll earn for doing it. This is really helpful information to have, and I like how straightforward they make it. In general, tasks are not difficult. Some may request that you go to a certain website, or watch YouTube videos, etc. When you accept a job, a new form opens for proof. Only proper proofs should be sent. Before accepting the job, read the description and proof requirements. You won't be paid if the job poster doesn't accept your proof and work, therefore, do everything thoroughly. It's also possible to make money by referring others to use the platform. If the person you invite signs up and starts working, you'll get 5% of their total earnings for as long as they are active on the site. SproutGigs offers many payout options. You can get paid via PayPal, cryptocurrency, Airtm, Uphold, or Skrill. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.